Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video we are going to learn how to stop Spotify from playing suggested song. So first of all, just open up your Spotify account over here and click on a gear like option over here. And once you are over here, just scroll all the way down until you see over here autoplay. In order to just stop the songs like the Spotify suggested, you have to just turn it off, and once you just turn it off, no song will be just played after that. Another thing which you have to do is you have to just go back over here and just search whether that particular song is just added to your queue or not. Otherwise it will be just play with the Spotify suggestion. For checking that, you have to just click on these three lines over here, and you can see over here the songs which have been just added to your queue. If you just want to remove it, you can. So that's all for this video. I hope this video was a great help to you. If you find this video helpful, please do share with your friends and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching the video. Have a nice day.